watching the Royal Rumble here.
Yeah, a couple of birdies fighting over the bird feeder.
The far side while we sit here.
Yeah. Little poor little guy. Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Back to fight him. That guy's got mad left.
I'm having WrestleMania here.
Yeah.
Bird WrestleMania.
Or WWE. Look at all these tomatoes I found.
Oh, very nice. We got a couple the other day too, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
They taste amazing. They're from our little tomato plant right over there.
I want to try one.
They just pop and they're juicy. Good? You don't like tomatoes. Here, I'll eat it. Oh yeah. They're amazing. Coming from somebody who does like them, they're super sweet and yummy. Okay. And on to the next thing. We're gonna water some stuff now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Squash are turning orange. Look like pumpkins in here almost. There's the yellow ones back there, but they're starting to turn orange now. Yeah. Man, that's... Show this thing. We're about to water everything. But there's all kinds of tomatoes on it. Hey, there's some more orange ones here too. Man, they taste so good. These flowers all growing up nice. Things are looking good, eh, Sam?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna see if I can pick some more tomatoes.
What's that?
They look like pumpkins.
Yeah, they do.
So
Oh,
weird.
hose is hung up.
They are pumpkins.
Okay, what's going on here? Oh, I'm pinched. Sweet, time to water. Nice. Ah, not too bad. Yeah. Whoa. That was a good one. Nice.
Woohoo!
Consistent. Oh.
Yeah! Watch out, here comes one from Dad.
Oh yeah. Hello. I got something to show you today, something cool. So we sold our 2017 Dodge Ram to get some more cash in our pocket. But we had to replace the truck, so I'm gonna show you. We did. There it is, a 92 F-150. So it's a regular cab. It's in crazy good shape, but this is like significantly cheaper than the car or the truck. Got the bench. I love these old school handles. This is actually antique now, 92. Anything 25 years or older. 2 gas tanks. It's lifted 6 inches like the truck was. I might peel these off, I don't like that. I don't like these here and the skull stuff there, so I'm gonna get rid of that too. I don't like that. You can see me in there. It's got a long bed, so all kinds of room to carry stuff. Bigger than the last one. Last one was a crew cab with a small box, so this one's got a nice big bed in it. Dual exhaust, Flowmaster exhaust. This is original paint. There's a little bit of stuff around here waiting to get fixed. I'll have to sort out, but nothing too bad. It's been undercoated every year since '92, so the underneath is like crazy. Got like these here things. I'm gonna peel all that off. That's stupid looking. But we needed some more cash, so we sold the truck. Was able to get this one. I like these old ones, right? The old square body Chevs. These old Fords, all of them. Got a 302 in it. Locking hubs. The only thing that's not working right now is the air conditioning. 5 liter 302. Aftermarket K&N air on it. You know what else is crazy on this thing? It has less mileage than the 2017 Dodge just sold. It was parked in the winter all the time. They always kept it in a barn for the winter, never drove it. So it's crazy good shape. So we got a good deal on it, and now we got a few more bucks to. So we got a good deal on it. Now we got a few more bucks to work with, and man, we got something real big coming up, like really soon. So we'll show you that here real soon. Probably gonna show that in the main channel, but I'm gonna show some different things they probably do to this over here. Just keep that stuff over on this channel, and I'm gonna change, you know, those, like get rid of that skull stuff. I may switch out some other stuff just to make it look more original. But I mean, it's got a lift on it, Pro Comp lift, so that's not original, but that's gonna be good anyway, because we go down the trails and stuff like anyway, so it's just good to be able to get in, stack wood, stuff like that. But anyways, I got some stuff I want to do. I need a wiper blade too. That's one thing that's no good in it. That sucked. But man, this thing's so cool. A buddy of mine had one of those in high school. I graduated in '99, so it was 22 years ago. And this is '92, the year the Blue Jays first won the World Series. I was 11.
First to first. For the first time in history, the World Championship banner will fly north of the border.
I'm 40 now, but it's crazy. Like, this thing's an antique now. As soon as they changed it to that other body style in '97, I didn't like the look of them. I like the square. I like the old square look of the trucks, eh? A lot cooler looking. I might as well show you a couple things in here too. That's where you switch the tanks. Tank 1, tank 2. All right. Sounds good. One more thing I need to do, you see this tire's going like this, I need to get her lined up, so that's pretty off. So I'm gonna do that. And other than that, it's all pretty good. So a couple of things just to get this thing back in order, and then we're gonna have a deadly work truck with a nice big box. Bench seat, all three of us were sitting there, so we're comfortable. So that's great. And again, we got huge news coming up in the main channel. If you're not subscribed to our main channel, it's available on the homepage here, and it's gonna be really cool. So anyways, but I'll keep sharing like what I do to this thing if you're interested. Something to do, but it's cool. So it's gonna come in handy. See ya. We'll see you in the next one.